Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can reset the Sonos amp, and it's not really difficult, so let's go. So it's super simple. First, you want to plug it out completely, so it's not going to be connected to anything. Then what you want to do is you want to hold the infinity button above the plugging, and when you're holding the infinity button, you just want to plug it back in. And the moment when you're going to hold the infinity button and you're going to plug it back in, then what will happen is that you're going to find in the front the light, and the light is going to switch while holding the button. Is going to switch from white to orange, white to orange, white to orange. You're going to release the Bluetooth button, the infinity one, and then the reset is going to be finished. There is going to be a green light, and we're going to live happy ever after. So what do you have to do? Plug it back out. Okay, if the cable is out, then you just want to hold the infinity button, and then you want to plug it back in. And when you're going to plug it back in while holding the infinity button, then the white light is going to change to orange, white, orange, white, orange, white, and then it's going to be green, and you can just like release the button. So that's pretty much it. I hope I gave you a little bit of value with this video. Have a great day and goodbye.